Naghanap ka ba ng minimalist house near Manila and airport for as low as 9K monthly DP? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Strategically located sa Barangay Pinagtipunan, General Trias, Cavite, and approximately 15 minutes drive going to Robinson Gentry and 20 minutes drive going to the future financial capital ng Cavite, ang ating mga central business district like Maple Grove, Ibu City, and River Park. Accessible to Vermosa, Villar City, and Alabang via Open Canal Road and Cavite Laguna Expressway. And approximately 60 minutes drive ang ito going to Manila and airport via Cavite. 2-story duplex house na may minimum lot size na 58.5 square meters. Kaya naman meron tayong extra lot sa front, side, and sa back na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. At meron tayong provision for one carport. May floor area ito na 45.5 square meters